Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. Today we're making bread kottu. So what you need is to do is slice bread into small pieces like in the picture you see here. Then find a pan. Then put a little bit ghee in it. You can also put oil or butter or anything, but we think ghee is best for this. So then you toast the bread until it's like gold brownish. Then you can put it aside and then use the same pan, or you can also find another one, but we use the same pan just to not waste pans. Some common seeds and we chopped onions, a full onion in small pieces and added them too. When it's golden brown-ish, add chili flakes and fry it. Then add eggs and mix it together. Add salt, then add bread and mix it together as well as possible, and make sure it is on low flame all the time so it doesn't get burned or isn't too little fried. Your bread kottu is ready. So as I said, it's really easy to make, but of course it's tasting really good. You can eat this, it's really suitable as breakfast. You can also eat it as like tea time snack when you're eating tea or anything. But yeah, that is it for today, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.